Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. So today I'll share the recipe of malpua. It's a fried pancake with crisp edge and soft center dunked in sugar syrup. Malpuas are made in so many ways, but the way I will make it is super easy and super delicious. So let's get started. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, maida, half teaspoon of baking powder, dry coconut and dry dates. Add a little water and prepare a thin batter. The batter should be too runny. Add a little more water if needed. You can add dry fruit of your choice, but coconut and dry dates goes well with this recipe. So the batter is ready. You can see how runny my batter is. The consistency is very important. Now we'll prepare our sugar syrup. For that, we'll add half a cup of sugar and half a cup of water. Switch on the heat. Let the sugar dissolve. This takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Once the sugar dissolves, switch off the flame. Now we'll fry our malpua. For that, heat oil in a fry pan. Now pour the batter in a hot oil and fry it till crispy. It will also turn its color to golden. Now flip and fry from other side too. Take it out when it turns golden brown from both the sides. Now the pouring the batter into the oil is very important. This time I'll show you how to pour. Pour a small ladle full of batter into the oil. Pour as close as possible. Here I missed and pour little away from the oil, and you can see the batter spread and spoiled the shape of malpua. So if you want a perfect shape of a malpua, pour the batter as close to the oil as possible. This one is also done. I'll take this out and show you once again. I'll pour the batter again. You can see the batter has formed a round shape on its own. We don't need to shape it. It will form round shape itself. Let it turn golden and crispy. You can see how close I have poured the batter. This will give you a perfect round shape. Fry the malpua until golden brown from both sides. Dip the malpua in prepared sugar syrup. Make sure the syrup is hot. Soak for just 2 to 3 seconds. Remove malpua from the sugar syrup and place on a serving plate. You can see the crispy edge and soft center. Please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in a comment section below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.